Hey guys, my name is Santiago from Orlando Harley Davidson, the historic factory. Today here we have the 2020 CVO Limited. This bike comes in 3 different colors, this one being Sand Dune. The CVO Limited is going to be very unique on its 117 engine and liquid cooled heads. So what that's going to do for you is going to disperse a lot of the heat. Say if you're in traffic or stuff like that, you're not going to have a lot of heat on your thighs. Various parts of this motorcycle come what's basically called VIN lock. So you have to show proof that you actually own the motorcycle in order to get parts for it. So that's going to make this bike very unique. People aren't going to be able to replicate it. So you're going to have a very unique bike off the showroom floor. It comes with the whole brand new infotainment system. So like the previous model, you're going to have navigation, radio, all that jazz. It has Apple Play now, basically an iPad on there. So all CVOs are going to come with the whole Stage 1 boom audio system from Harley Davidson. So you're going to have that amplified audio straight from the factory. This bike is also going to come with torque slip control, cornering, ABS, traction control. Also it comes with something called a vehicle hold control. So say you're on a hill and you need to basically let go of the brakes. Normally, when you let go of the brakes on a motorcycle and you're on a hill, you're going to roll back. With this one, you just tap the front brake and it'll initiate a vehicle hold control. So you're just going to have to hold in the clutch and then you'll just stay there. And then as soon as the light turns green, you go on and ride. So with the CVO, you're going to have heated grips. So what that's going to do for you is basically, if it ever gets cold or stuff like that, you're just going to basically amplify the temperature on it. It's going to keep your hands nice and warm. You won't get clammy. You won't get any aches in like your joints or stuff like that. So on the CVO, you're going to have a 19-inch front and an 18-inch rear on the Tomahawk custom wheels. You have the dual disc brakes at the front. So really, if you're ever trying to stop in any sort of situation, this bike will stop. These come standard with ABS, so if it's ever raining or anything, you won't have any fear of basically slipping out or anything like that. You're going to be completely safe. It comes with a 6-speed transmission, so say you're ever doing long trips or on the highway or anything, you're just going to be cruising. There's not going to be any strain on the engine. It's not going to be crying or anything like that. On the CVO, you're also going to have a King Tour Pack. So what that's going to do for you is basically you have a bunch of luggage here. You can store at least 2 half helmets in here and even like some groceries maybe. So this CVO Limited is actually going to come with floorboards for the front and passenger floorboards. Basically, that's gonna add a lot more comfort to your ride. You're not gonna have those pegs, which is gonna feel like you're just sitting on the frame or stuff like that. This is just gonna feel like you're just lounging. So this CVO Limited is actually gonna come with LED lights for the front and the rear. So say if you're ever riding at night, you're definitely going to be seen, and that's an important thing out, especially if you're doing any downtown or any country riding. If you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for content on bikes, customizations and more. So for any test rides, please come see me. My name's Santiago over here at I-4. I also speak Spanish. Thank you so much for watching. So for any test rides, please come see me. My name's Santiago over here at I-4. I also speak Spanish. Thank you so much for watching.